Phalanx research team. Something terrible was unearthed. The Nemesis creature, an alien predator from another dimension. When discovered, the enraged creature went berserk. Phalanx immediately mobilized its extreme security division. Since then, there have been no further incidents. Recently, Phalanx operatives have broken through into a previously undiscovered cave. Inside, they found a nest of eggs, the eggs of the Nemesis creature. The nest itself is off limits to the general public, as it is an extremely volatile environment. However, a single egg has been removed and made safe for public exhibition. In a moment, the elevator doors in front of you will open to take you down to the central core, where you will be able to observe the egg. As long as you obey all security directives, your safety is absolutely assured. Please be aware this is a military zone.
Quick, 1 3, you go!
The designated route to your position in the observation chamber. Positions for each group are shown on the screen. While you're in the facility, please touch nothing and obey all safety instructions.
Run.
Welcome to the Phalanx observation chamber. The egg in front of you was discovered here on this very site. It's believed to belong to the legendary Nemesis creature. Our team of scientists have been monitoring the specimen. The creature is very much alive and stable, but dormant. You are perfectly safe. Scans show increased brain activity suggested.
System malfunction. Egg containment system has been breached.
Someone, you told me no. Someone, I touched me from the back.